Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashie E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying out the tattooed edges / tattooed baby hairs for the very first time. So just to give you guys a little bit of background of how I found out about these edges. So my best friend actually tagged me in a video on Facebook of this comedian making fun of this girl who actually tried the baby hairs. And y'all, even though he was a little funny, I was like, wow, that is such a brilliant idea, especially for those of us who have thin edges. So I know a few of you guys have asked before, like, Sash, your hair is growing real long but your edge is kind of thin. But this is how my edges have always been. It's genetics. My mom's edges are the same. We legit have the same hairline. It's thin. That's just how it's been since I was a little girl. And you know, I don't complain about it. It is what it is. I gotta accept it for what it is because I can't change it. So yeah, so I ended up purchasing these back in April, you guys. So it's been a hot minute since I purchased these. I purchased these on April 24th, and I want to say it came around May 8th. But the reason why I didn't try it out then is because I was wearing a lot of protective styles and I was waiting for a chance to just have my hair pulled fully back before I tried them out, and I thought today would be the perfect day. In addition to that, I'm actually going to the beach today to celebrate one of my close friends' birthday. Happy birthday, Shonda. So I'm going to the beach to celebrate her birthday, so I'm gonna be outside in the elements, y'all. Your girl gonna be in the sun, I'm gonna be sweating, I'm gonna be in the water. So I thought this would be the perfect time, and on top of that, I'm gonna be around a good amount of people, not too many, but I'm gonna be around my friends, so I feel like they'll tell me if it look kind of janky. So I want to kind of do it today so that I can come back and give you guys a full report. So yeah, so I did order them, as I said, April 24th. They came around May 8th, and I got the mix set, which was $30. So it comes with 5 pairs, and I wanted them to be mixed because I didn't like every edges design that was on the website. So I said in the notes, hello, I would like 1 pair of the Sheila Marie, 2 pairs of the I'm So Fancy, and 2 pairs of the Swoop. And I believe that is what she sent me in this. I haven't opened it yet, but I will in a minute. And also the shipping was $5, so everything came up to $35 in all. So let me go ahead and open this up to see just how everything looks. See if it comes with any instructions or anything like that. Ooh. Ooh, pretty. So I'm guessing these are the swooped ones. It's another design. Another design. I think I'm gonna try these today. Yeah, I think this is the one I saw in the video of the girl. So I think I'm gonna try this one today. So y'all, I think I'm actually mistaken. She actually sent me 10 pairs of edges, so I have 10 uses. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, so she actually sent me 10 swoops. So my bad, you guys. I think I was mistaken. I thought it came with 5, but it actually comes with 10. So it's, you know, I'm definitely getting my money's worth. So I'm getting 10, it comes with 10 pairs. So I'm actually gonna try out this one today. This one looks so cute. And I'm going to get a pair of scissors and I'm gonna cut it in half so that I can lay it on my forehead. So we'll see. Yeah, so I got my scissors. So I'm just gonna cut this in half. The only thing I wish this came with was some instructions. It didn't come with any instructions at all, but I'm gonna treat it like how I used to treat tattoos back in the day when I was a kid, and I'm just gonna use some water to wet it. So I gotta figure out also which side each goes on. I'm assuming this is what goes down here. Oh, so I'm assuming it's like this. So then it would go on the other side. So I think this goes like this. I think. It's a little bit more difficult than I thought, unless I'm just overthinking things. But okay, so this one goes on this side. So I have my paper towel here. It's drenched with water. So I'm going to peel this off. I don't know if I'm overthinking it, but I think it's a little bit, I need some instructions basically. I'm gonna put it right here. Just wet it. Keep wetting it. I'm not sure how long it's supposed to be wet for, which is why I wish it came with a little bit of instructions, but whatever. So I'm just gonna wait for a couple minutes. And do the other side. Oh, okay. Wait, still need some more. Hold on. Yo, this is so funny. Hold on, I still need some more. I just hope I put it on right, because it seems like it's coming off quite well. I just really hope that I put it on like the right side. Oh no. All right, let's try again. What y'all think? I think it was supposed to be closer to my forehead. I don't know, y'all. I think it was supposed to be a little bit closer, maybe to my forehead. It's a little dramatic, but let me try the other side. Might have to fill it in right here with some what is it called, some pencil, some makeup, so it don't look so harsh. Okay. Y'all, I just hope it's symmetrical. That is like my one wish right now. Oh, it wasn't finished. Oh my goodness. So if it wasn't 100% ready to come off, you can just tap it with some water and it will look fine. Y'all. I don't really know how I feel about this. Let me go into like my bathroom and look at it, because maybe I think it wasn't close enough. That's probably what the problem is. I think that's what it was. So I'm probably gonna try to make it, do an illusion or something with some eyeshadow, just so it could look a little bit more natural. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So in my opinion, it's not really giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm using a little bit of eyeshadow to kind of fill it in a little bit, and then I think I may put on a headband just so I could fill in this little gap part right here, because it just seems too like spacious. I think I should have brought it up a little bit more towards my hairline, and I didn't. So I'm just gonna use my brush to kind of fill it in just a little bit. I don't know if I'm making this worse, but you know, I don't really like it. So I'm going to just try to fill it in a little bit. I think these may have been just a little bit too dramatic for me and my liking. I probably should have did this one right here, the swoops. This one, I should have probably did this one, because usually when I do have my edges out and stuff, that's the one that I usually go for. Like I usually swoop, you know, my edges. But yeah, y'all, so I honestly think if I would have brought it back a little bit more, it wouldn't have looked so bad or so fake. But overall, I think it's a good, I get where they were going with it, I'll say that. And I think if it's executed properly, then it will come out really, really nice. But you know, this is my first time using it. I have 9 others to try, so I'll try those at a later date once I figure it out a little bit better. But yeah, so let me get the headband just so that, you know, just so that it could look a little bit more realistic. One moment. All right, y'all, so I put on a little headband. I think it looks a little bit better. It's giving me finger waves vibes, but I gotta go, and this is the best I can do. So we gonna see what my friends say, if they notice that it's tattooed. I'm gonna see how the elements work with this, if it's gonna sweat out, or you know, if it's gonna start peeling on me. So yeah, we're gonna see, and when I get back, I'll just show you guys like how everything looks. But yeah, y'all, this is it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think so far. Is this something that you guys would try? For my ladies out there with thin edges, is this something that you guys would try? Do you think it is worth it? Especially if it's executed properly. All right, y'all, bye. All right, guys, so I am back from the beach and I wanted to come back and give you guys a thorough review. I legit just stepped into my house, y'all. I legit stepped into my house, set up my camera and started to record because I wanted to show you guys how my edges look right now. My hair was saturated with salt water, so I do have to go and wash my hair after I do this video, so that's why I wanted to film it right now. So do forgive me if I look a little busted. As I said, I just came home, I still got on my bathing suit, I'm still wet, the whole shebang, so yeah, forgive me for that. But anyways, I wanted to give you guys a full review about my day at the beach. So I left the house around 2 o'clock, got there about 2:30. I did park in the parking garage, so I did have to walk in the hot sun to the beach, which was about 8 minutes away. My edges did not melt off or anything like that. I did sweat, but it did not cause a problem for me. When I pulled up to the tent, my friends were like, yes ma'am, your edges look amazing. Okay, everybody has something positive to say about my edges, which was a thumbs up for me. I did ask them if they can tell that it's a tattoo. They did say yes. One of my best friends said that she can tell that it's a tattoo because her sister actually uses it. And then my other friends, they were like, yeah, we can tell that it's a tattoo, but it looks very, very good and very natural. So that was definitely a plus for me to hear. As far as what I was doing at the beach, you guys, I did a little bit of beach volleyball. We played 2 rounds of that, and we also swam in the ocean. I think God was on my side today, y'all, because your girl finally learned how to doggy paddle. I've been trying to learn for about 20-something years, y'all, all my life, and finally I got it today. So I was in the ocean for about 4 hours today trying to doggy paddle and trying to get things right as far as with my swimming. So I was underwater quite a bit. My hair got saturated multiple times with salt water, which is why I gotta wash my hair when I'm done filming this video, and my edges kept up. As you guys can see, one side looks a lot better than this side, and I think this side is completely still intact because of when I was actually placing the edges on, I took a lot more time on this side. I remember when I was peeling this side up, it still didn't look like it was completely ready to be peeled up. So I do think it's important to make sure you have adequate time to make sure that the tattoo is ready to come off before you peel it off, because I think that's the difference between the 2 sides. Other than that, you guys, I think this is an amazing invention. Okay, at first when I tried it, let me just tell y'all, when I first tried it, I was like, I don't know about this. And the reason why I wasn't sure about it was because it did change kind of the shape of my face. I do have a bigger forehead, and with the tattoo edges, I felt like it just made my forehead look so small, and it just made my face look different, and I just was not used to that. In addition to that, I didn't place it on correctly. If y'all remember, it was just like a really big space between my hairline and the edges, so I needed to pull that up a lot more. So that's all me. As I said, I wish they would have had some directions with how to use it. I know for some people they can just look at some things and just use it, boom boom. For me, I need some directions, okay? But other than those little cons, I think this is a great investment. It was very inexpensive. As I said, it was $30, and they sent me 10 pairs. So for my girls out there with thin edges, for my girls out there that edges have a difficult time laying because your hair may be kinky, or maybe an edge control, they don't work for you, whatever it may be, I think this will be a really nice investment for you because it lasts. As you guys can see, it really does last, and it looks quite good. It don't look bad at all. So I definitely think it is worth the money, and it's worth the time. As you guys can see, it lasted pretty much throughout all the elements. I was sweating, I was out there in the sun, I was out there in the ocean, and my edges still look fine, and I did receive a ton of compliments on it. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Also, be sure to leave me any comment that you like down below about my edges. If I missed out on anything or I forgot to mention anything, just let me know and I'll answer them down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.